USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about the dollar against Swiss franc. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification below the video. You'll find some links that say join free Telegram channel. Go and join Telegram. If you want some free signals every now and then, check out the broker sign up platform right here. Sign up with these brokers if and when you want to trade with my signals and my signals only, because I want accuracy. So my signals in Telegram, you can check them out in your separate broker, which you can sign up here. Subscribe, like, all that for you. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the downtrend. Okay, so new low is created in weekly. So overall, dollar is still in the downtrend against Swiss francs. So we don't have much right now. Until this high will not be broken, I will not say to take long in USDCHF. So we had this in daily, we made a new low. I think this low was not broken, but this low was. Okay, so if we consider this low as a this downtrend, so downtrend pullback down, then new low is created, then pullback, new high is not created, as you can see now. Once this blue candle is eaten by the red candle in daily chart, you can go again short. Okay, let's see if we have any entry in 4 hour for that. In 4 hour, we are below the EMA. Quite cool. So we had this uptrend. Uptrend pullback, new high, and then we had a long rejection, long red candle. Then new high is not created, as you can see, and then we have a long red candle. That should be your entry. Okay, so your short entry will be as soon this red candle closes in next 45 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure when you're watching this video, but when I'm recording the video, it's like 45 minutes to go when the US market was not open today anyway. Okay, anyway, so this blue candle will be eaten by the red candle. That is your short entry, because there was no high created. So this blue candle did not break the above high. That means this is the start of a new downtrend pullback. Again, we have engulfing red. Enter short here, and then take your profit somewhere here. That's your entry, free trade, and you pay me nothing. Okay, that's actually not good. You have to pay me. Okay, for now, subscribe, like, join Telegram, do all of that. You should be thankful. It should be join Telegram, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.